Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix a THERMOMIX TM7 frozen or unresponsive touchscreen. If you would like to fix a frozen or unresponsive touchscreen, then you can simply press and hold on the power button until the device turns off. If holding for half a minute didn't turn it off, then and only then you can unplug the device before powering it off. But if you were able to power it off first, then do it and then unplug it from power for at least half a minute. Or if the device was exposed to cold temperatures for a long time, then you should unplug it for 12 hours and leave it in room temperature to make sure that it warms up to the room temperature. Then after half a minute or 12 hours, depending on whether it was exposed to cold temperatures or not, you can plug it in and press on the power button. And that should fix your issue. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.